Good morning. Can I get directions?
Sure. Where are you going?
This Sunday flea market at Riverside.
Take Highway 5, exit 12.
How far is it?
About 20 minutes.
Is it a big market?
Huge. Over 200 vendors.
200? Wow!
Get there early. Best stuff sells fast.
We left at 6 a.m.
Smart. The gate opens at 7.
Any tips for bargaining?
Always offer half the asking price.
Really? That low?
They expect it. It is part of the fun.
Thank you for the tips.
Happy treasure hunting.
We will find something great.
Welcome to Riverside Flea Market.
Hi, 2 tickets, please.
$3 each, 6 total.
Are there any maps?
Here, vendors are organized by section.
What sections are there?
Furniture, clothing, antiques, and art.
Where are the antiques?
Row F through J, at the back.
Any food vendors?
Yes, food court is in the center.
What kind of food?
Tacos, hot dogs, and lemonade.
My wife loves tacos.
Best tacos in the county.
How long are you open?
Until 3 p.m.
8 hours of shopping.
Pace yourself. It is a big market.
We will. Thank you.
This teapot is beautiful.
That is from the 1950s.
1950s? Really?
Yes, English bone china.
It has gold trim.
Still in perfect condition.
How much?
$45.
Would you take 25?
How about 35?
30?
You drive a hard bargain. 32.
Deal.
You have good taste.
My grandmother had one like this.
They do not make them like this anymore.
That is what makes it special.
I will wrap it carefully for you.
Thank you. I will treasure it.
It found a good home.
See something you like?
This little side table.
Mid-century modern, walnut wood.
The wood grain is beautiful.
Very solid, no wobble.
How much?
$60.
Would you do 40?
50 is my lowest.
I can do 50.
Cash or card?
Cash.
Here's your receipt.
Can I pick it up later?
Of course, I will hold it for you.
We are still shopping.
Take your time. I am here until 3.
This table will look great by our couch.
It is perfect for a lamp and books.
That is exactly my plan.
2 tacos, please.
Chicken or beef?
1 of each.
Salsa on top?
Yes, extra salsa.
Hot or mild?
Mild for me, hot for my husband.
Here you go.
These smell amazing.
Best tacos at the market.
How much?
$4 each, 8 total.
And 2 lemonades?
That is $10 total.
Here's 10. Thank you.
Enjoy. What have you found so far?
A vintage teapot and a walnut table.
Nice finds. Try Road D for vinyl records.
Vinyl records? Tom would love that.
Many classic albums, good prices.
Thank you for the tip.
You have so many records.
Over 500. Browse all you want.
Do you have Beatles?
Abbey Road right here.
Original pressing?
Yes, 1969.
How much?
$50. Great condition.
Can I see the vinyl?
Of course, no scratches.
Beautiful. Any Fleetwood Mac?
Rumours is in our section.
How much for Rumours?
$30.
Both for 70?
Deal. You know your music.
My wife and I love classic rock.
You should check out our jazz section.
Maybe next time. My wallet is getting thin.
Welcome to flea market shopping.
I love it.
Is this a real leather jacket?
Yes, Italian leather, very soft.
It looks like my size.
Try it on. There is a mirror.
It fits perfectly.
Like it was made for you.
How much?
$80.
That is a great price for leather.
In a store, it would be $300.
Can you do 70?
$75.
Okay, 75.
Good choice. It looks amazing on you.
Tom will love it.
It is timeless style.
Classic leather never goes out of fashion.
Exactly. Enjoy it.
Need help with the table?
Yes, please. Our car is in lot B.
I will carry it for you.
Thank you. You are so kind.
What else did you buy today?
A teapot, vinyl records, and a leather jacket.
Sounds like a great day.
The best flea market trip ever.
First time here?
Yes, we will definitely come back.
We're here every Sunday.
Rain or shine?
Rain or shine, year-round.
Do vendors change every week?
Some stay, some rotate.
So always new treasures.
Exactly. That is the magic.
The table fits perfectly in the trunk.
Safe and secure. Enjoy your finds.
Thank you for all your help.
See you next Sunday.
The table looks perfect by the couch.
With a lamp on it, just like I imagined.
And my teapot on the kitchen shelf.
It looks like an antique museum.
A very small museum.
Let me play the Beatles record.
Abbey Road, my favorite.
The sound of vinyl is so warm.
Better than digital.
And your leather jacket?
Hanging in the closet, right in front.
You looked amazing in it.
$75 for Italian leather?
The best deals are at flea markets.
How much did we spend total?
Let me calculate. 187.
For all this? That is incredible.
Next Sunday?
Definitely. Every Sunday.